Hello and welcome to KADO. So your company has created a KADO digital business card for you. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use your card from the app, how to share it, capture contact information, and how to also add notes, tasks, and interactions. With KADO, you can replace paper business cards with a smarter digital experience that helps you share your information instantly, capture the people you meet, and keep your network connectivity organized. Let's start from the mobile app. From your mobile app, you have several options to share your card. You can open your QR code and let the other person scan it directly from your phone. You can also use your offline QR code, which is especially useful when you have limited internet connection, for example, at conferences or busy venues. And you can also add your KADO card to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, so it's always easy to access even without opening the app. And if you even want faster access, you can also add a card as a widget on your phone. That gives you different ways to share your card depending on the situation, from the app, your wallet, your widget, or even via a link or an SMS. Now let's see what happens when someone receives your card. The other person does not need to download the KADO app. When they scan your QR code or open your card link, your digital business card opens directly in their browser. From there, they can view your contact information, open your links, visit your social profiles, and see your details directly on the phone. They can also share their information back with you by filling a quick contact form. Once they submit the form, they automatically receive an email with your contact information, so they can easily find you again later. At the same time, you receive a notification in the KADO app, letting you know that someone has shared their details with you. You can then review the form submission from your account. Depending on your subscription, you'll be able to save that submission as a contact and continue managing it from KADO. Otherwise, the submission will remain available as a lead for you to review. Now, sometimes the person you meet may not want to fill in a form. They may prefer to show you their own QR code, or they may give you a paper business card. In that case, KADO also helps you capture their information quickly. Simply point at the QR code or take a picture of their paper business card. KADO will automatically digitize the information and turn it into a contact, so you don't have to manually transcribe business cards when you get back to the office. This is especially useful after events, trade shows, or busy networking sessions, where it is easy to lose track of who you met and what you discussed. Once the contact has been created, this is where KADO becomes more than a digital business card. You can open the contact activity and start adding notes, create follow-up tasks, and categorize the contact with different tags. That way you can remember who the person is, what you talked about, and what needs to happen next. Instead of collecting paper cards, losing context, or forgetting to follow up, KADO helps you keep everything organized in one place. And for selected plans and setups, KADO can also help you centralize more of your relationship activities so you can have a fuller view of your interactions with each contact. In the next section, we'll move to the web, where you can also manage your card, contacts, and leads. You'll also see how your admin can activate integrations and automation tools to make your follow-ups and contact management even easier. You can edit your card from the mobile application, but also from the web dashboard if your company admin settings allow it. From the web, you will also be able to review your leads that you have captured. Depending on the company's contract, you will also be able to manage your contact from here and add notes, tags, tasks, all from your web panel. KADO also offers different automation and integration options. For example, your company can actually integrate KADO with different tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, Dynamics, and other platforms via Zapier. Your administrator can also activate different automations so that the contacts that you capture are automatically categorized, enriched, or sent to the right tools. If you would like to use these extra functionalities, please ask your company admin, as these settings are managed by your organization. Finally, from the home screen, you can get a quick overview of all your networking activity, including your card, leaves, contacts, and recent interactions. So as you can see with KADO, your digital business card becomes more than a way to share your details. It becomes a smarter way to capture, organize, and follow up with every new opportunity.